Let's talk about landing your first gig on Upwork, the freelancing platform that connects you with amazing clients worldwide. If you're new on Upwork, fear not, because in this video, we'll crack the code and show you exactly how to boost your chances of scoring those dream job. Upwork is a competitive platform, but before you get discouraged, know this: there's a ton of work for everyone. The key is to stand out from the crowd and showcase your value to potential clients. Below is a list of useful tips to help you secure a nice paying job as a freelancer on Upwork. 1. Craft a compelling profile. Your profile is your digital storefront on Upwork. Here's how to make it shine. Headline: this is your first impression. Don't be generic. Use strong keywords relevant to your skills and target audience. For example, expert WordPress developer or creative content writer specializing in e-commerce. Tell your story. Highlight your experience, expertise, and passion for your work. Emphasize results you've achieved for past clients. Showcase your skills and get endorsements from previous clients or colleagues. This builds trust and showcases your capabilities. 2. Optimize your job proposals. Don't just spam generic proposals. Tailor each one to the specific project requirements. Read the job description carefully and highlight the skills and experience that directly address the client's needs. Here's a winning formula. Start with a strong hook. Grab the client's attention with a personalized opening sentence demonstrating you've understood their project. Address specific requirements. Show the client you've analyzed their needs and propose solutions tailored to their project. Highlight your value. Quantify your experience and showcase successful past projects with similar scopes. Why are you the perfect fit for this job? Close with a clear call to action. End your proposal with a confident call to action, inviting the client to discuss further details. 3. Build a positive profile rating. A positive profile rating screams reliable freelancer to clients. Aim for a 5-star rating by delivering high-quality work. Always meet deadlines and go the extra mile to exceed client expectations. Communication is key. Maintain excellent communication with clients. Regularly update them on progress and address their concerns promptly. Leave positive feedback. Once a project wraps up, leave a positive review for the client. Encourage them to reciprocate and boost your rating. Following these tips will significantly boost your chances of landing high-paying gigs on Upwork. Remember, success on Upwork takes time and effort. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below with any questions you have about Upwork. Like this video and subscribe for more Upwork success strategies. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Let's help you become a freelancing rockstar.